Alright everybody, what is up again? LaffeyDude, your average American gamer here, back at your service with his 71st reaction video and third reaction video of the night. And we're doing another YouTube Kane 6256 video, once again. And this video will be titled called Steven is Still Alive After the Explosion of His Old Studio. Yeah, in the previous Luna's Clues Mailtime Bloopers episode, Steven's studio exploded, and that was pretty bad. But everything got worked out now, and he's got a new studio. Still can't wait to see more. Well, anyway, let's get on with the 71st reaction video in 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, Steven's beat himself today. Alright, look.
Just got a letter.
Steven just got a letter. Dudes. Oh, Steven. I love the way you're dancing. I gotta see that again. Steven's got the best dance moves. Steven just got a letter.
Wonder who it's from.
You've done it again, Steven. You've done it again. Okay, now that includes my 71st reaction video. Now I'm going to move on to my 72nd reaction video and the last video of the night. So, LaffeyDude, your average American gamer, will be back in just a few minutes. See you all soon.